Bench testing the 1959-1960 Cadillac headlight switch, non-fog light option, serial number HS09062023, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. Test number 4, dome light operation. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. And test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery for the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery. Now reporting 13.4 volts. For the run-up test, you're also going to monitor the rheostat temperature. Right now we're showing ambient at around 89 degrees. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, we have our tail lights, front parking, and dash lights. We're going to set those to mid-range. And off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, front parking, tail lights, dash lights. Second position, front parking lights are off, headlights are on. Back to first position, headlights off, front parking lights on, and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, rotating the rheostat, we're going to turn the dash lights off. That's the off position. Mid-range, full bright. Second position, headlights on, front parking lights off. Rotate the rheostat to mid-range. Now we're monitoring the rheostat temperature. We see it's 92 degrees, 93 degrees at Fahrenheit. To the off position, to the dim position, mid-range, still reporting around 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Full bright. Back to first position. Front parking lights on, headlights are off. Set this in mid-range. And we're still around 95 degrees rheostat temperature. Low position. Now we're looking at around 96 degrees. And off. Test number 4, dome light operation. Rotating the rheostat, we can ground the tab on the headlight switch body. We have an indication of the dome light. The option is available in first position. Parking and tail lights are on. Grounding the tab, we see an indication of dome light. Headlight position. Grounding the tab, dome light. In the off position, we see this courtesy light function is also available by rotating the rheostat. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Delco on the headlight switches had an onboard circuit breaker. In the event the wiring was short in the vehicle, the bimetallic arm would expand and break the circuit back to the battery. And demonstrate that now with a probe in first position. In an overheat situation, this bimetallic contact arm would expand and break the circuit, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring. The feature is also available in second position. Demonstrate a bimetallic spring overheating due to a possible short. And we see the circuit is broken, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring. Back to first position. Expand the arm. We see that the circuit back to the battery is broken, protecting the switch and the vehicle wiring. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12 volt test light, we're going to probe the headlight switch chassis You see we got continuity back to the battery through the chassis. Now we're going to do the panel light. Panel light feed, dash light feed, no continuity. Battery feed, no continuity. Headlight, no continuity. Tail lights, no continuity. Parking light. Only connection back to the battery is at the switch body. Demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground. Only continuity we have back to the battery is through the switch chassis. Switch body is insulated from ground.